say we just wait it out, yeah.
Totally. I mean, like, it's Southern California. It's not gonna just keep raining.
Yeah, exactly.
I'm not like, I did my makeup really well today. I'm like, not gonna risk that. Thank you.
Yeah, you
I'm not gonna risk it, so it's gonna stop raining in at least like 10 tops.
10 tops, yeah. We can hang.
We're literally in no rush.
Yeah.
I got some Instagrams to go through right now.
Get it, girl. That is still going.
More than I would have expected. Surprised we haven't seen any wrecks yet.
Yeah, it's crazy. I mean, that store's open till like 8, so
yeah, we're fine.
Yeah.
One, two, three.
Oh.
Bitch. 1, 2, 3. What the hell?
Damn it.
Yes. I mean, I have literally nothing else to talk to you about.
Hey, do you want to just head home?
Yeah.
This is crazy.
Yeah.
It's like 4 straight hours of rain.
I mean, it's probably dangerous at this point. Like, we need to get home, actually.
I bet you the power's out. We need to check on all the stuff.
We should probably stop for some food, you know.
Taco Bell.